Hey there, aspiring content creators. Welcome back to Norbapol TV. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to start a YouTube channel for profit in 2026. So grab a notebook because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to create your very own profitable YouTube channel. Let's jump in. First things, you need to find your niche. This is the area that you're passionate about and want to share with the world. Ask yourself these questions. What am I knowledgeable about? What do I love doing? And what do I think will resonate with viewers? For 2026, trending niches may include sustainable living, personal finance in a digital age, tech reviews, wellness and mindfulness, and even DIY projects. Research your niche. Check out existing channels and identify gaps in content that you can fill. Now that you have your niche, it's time to create your channel. Head over to YouTube, sign in with your Google account, and click Create a Channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your niche, something catchy and memorable. Once your channel is created, personalize it by adding a compelling profile picture and banner. Make sure to craft an engaging channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers who you are and what they can expect from your videos. Next up is content creation. Aim for quality over quantity. Invest in a good camera and microphone. You don't need the most expensive gear, but clear visuals and sound make a significant difference. Plan out your video content. Create a list of video ideas and organize them into a content calendar. For 2026, consider including interactive elements like polls or live Q&As to engage your audience. Once you've created your videos, it's essential to optimize them for search. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results. For example, if your video is about coffee brewing techniques, some keywords might include best coffee methods or how to brew coffee at home. Don't forget to create eye-catching thumbnails as they are crucial for attracting clicks. To build a loyal audience, interact with your viewers in the comments section. Respond to their questions, take feedback, and foster a sense of community. Promote your videos across your social media platforms. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter can help drive traffic back to your channel. Collaborations with other YouTubers can also expand your reach. So, how do you start making money? Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to enable ad revenue. But don't stop there. Explore other monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling merchandise, or offering subscription memberships for exclusive content. Finally, consistently analyze your performance through YouTube Analytics. Experience what works and what doesn't. Pay attention to which videos perform well, how long people are watching, and demographics of your audience. Adapt your content and strategies as needed. Remember, the landscape of YouTube is always evolving, so stay flexible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more great content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What niche are you thinking about? Let's chat. See you next time.